Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to change the line spacing in Google Docs. So you can do this pretty easily. So open up your document. If you want to change the line spacing on the whole document, press Control A and that will highlight the whole document. If it's just one paragraph, you can highlight the paragraph like this. When you have the paragraph highlighted, we're going to look into the tools bar and hover over the line and paragraph spacing tool. So I'm going to click on there, and you have different options for single spacing, 1.15, 1.5, double, custom. So for this tutorial, I'm going to click on 1.5 to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to click on there, and you can see the spacing between the sentences has increased. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.